the occurrence of attacks never ceases. Even in bustling residential areas, these attacks are frantic, cruel, and highly unpredictable. The ultimate triumph lies in the loyalty and bravery displayed by dogs, which are akin to the instincts of a white leopard. Let's watch this astonishing video together. 15 unbelievable moments dogs survived the attack of leopards.
Chances are, the leopard is caught in a fence, surrounded by dogs, and attacks frantically. However, with wide skills, leopards easily catch a dog and warn them to set an example. This leopard jumps easily over the fence, infiltrate, and attack. Very lucky for the dog, it fought bravely and was lucky to be rescued in time by the owner. Walking lightly, the leopard caught a domestic dog in his sleep. The incident happened so quickly that the man who witnessed the scene couldn't stop being shocked. Unbelievable! This dog is attacking and screaming at lion's face. The bravery of that dog made the zebras behind him not howl, but admire, like a leader. Face to face, the size of these two wrestlers are quite similar. The dog was noisy, making the leopard quite uncomfortable and turned to leave. Catching the miss, this leopard is confused with everything. When the dogs rushed to attack together, the leopards quickly regained their composure, showed their bravery, and chased away this group of amateur dogs. Surprise ambush! The leopard nimbly bit straight into the neck and gradually took the life of this unfortunate dog. Sensing danger, the dog immediately ran away, but it cannot escape the cunning of the leopard. Caught and lost his life on the front porch. Cold dog, dragged by the leopard to a high tree to avoid predators. Silent and stealthy, this leopard is trying to get close to the domestic dog. Although dogs have good hearing, but they cannot compare with the quiet hunting of leopards. Catch the perfect prey. In the Himalayas, leopards can appear at any time and hunt dogs right in a busy town. No one nearby noticed the dog had been captured. Leopard is a true master in the art of stealth. Nothing can stand in the way of these dogs' teamwork. Dash like an arrow towards the jaguar and attack furiously. Although dogs can't be as agile as jaguars, but with overwhelming numbers of dogs, the jaguar is difficult to counterattack. It finds a way to escape. a frantic counterattack. Apparently, the beloved owner's leash prevented the dogs from fighting. Great speed fight. The brave dog attacked the lion and walked away like nothing happened, making the lions not stop surprised. This dog is quite wary of intruders outside the gate, but knowing in advance won't help. Leopards are so big and agile, they can easily cross the fence and take the dog away. Sneaking deep into the house to hunt. Very decisively, the leopard's precise bite to the neck took the dog's life. It is not safe. It is a mistake to let a dog that is too small to sleep outside the house. Catch and walk proudly. Perfect control of the stray dog. It seems that this leopard habitat is threatened, causing them to cross a concrete wall into a residential area to hunt. 1 versus 2. Leopards attacked so suddenly that the dogs did not have time to react. It sucks when friends stand by and don't help. The mountain lion is an extremely powerful predator. Even a Doberman can be easily caught by the mountain lion. Unexpectedly, the Doberman was still alive after the mountain lion attacks. This dog is showing bravery to an injured leopard, but the man won't allow it and try to save the leopard's turds.
Thank you for exploring the wildlife world with me. I hope that you have gained a better understanding of these wonderful creatures. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures in the animal kingdom. See you in the next video. Goodbye.